Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. I'm warmly welcome you all for this artificial intelligence internship, which is a 30 days internship, which is day 2 today. So I hope you guys are super excited for this today's session. And before moving on further, I really wanted to make sure whether am I audible and everything is really looking fine. So if it is, you just give your comments in the live chat. So Sanjay, it is good, and you just give your comments in the live chat. Is everything is fine, guys? Please give your comments in the live chat. Yes, a lot of people are posting. Good evening, all. Thank you so much. And please call me Sanjay. Okay, no need to call sir. Please call me Sanjay. Yes, audible. Yeah, good. Audible. That's really awesome. Okay, a lot of people are really amazing. And before going on to this today's session further, I really want to really appreciate a lot of people who just contributed a lot to share that interview questions by adding the value to your networks. Okay, so first of all, it is really a great job that you guys have shared that video, shared that interview questions through the LinkedIn. So you have contributed or you have attracted a lot of people by through that post. Okay, it is really a great thing. So great applause for the people. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for doing that. And I hope you are super excited for this today's session as well, because from this today's session, as I've already told you, 80% which is gonna be practical and remaining 20% which is gonna be theory. So I hope you are really excited for it. And if you all excited for it, you just leave I'm excited Sanjay in your live chat. And the people who have completed the yesterday task, the brain computer interface course will be enrolled within 1 or 2 days. Okay, so I'm sorry for the delay, but definitely you'll be getting that brain computer interface course. Don't worry about it. Okay, so I hope you all ready and excited. So you just give your comments in the live chat, guys, or you all ready? Just please give your comments in the live chat. Okay, so yes. So shall we start the session now? Okay, so first of all, let us see the prerequisites again a bit. So no prior knowledge is required. Yes, laptop is really required today, because today we are gonna do a real hands-on. Or else if you can't able to use your laptop or computer, you don't have it, please take your notes, because today's session is gonna be really special. Why? Because I am gonna be sharing a lot of tips which is not being shared by anywhere else. Okay, so that's why please take your notes. I'm going to tell you like tip number 1, tip number 2, tip number 3, 4, 5, 7, etc. So you are going to note it out. That's what the second very important thing. And then you just create your account in LinkedIn and Discord, so that we are going to do a lot of activities and tasks. And yes, I need your time to do the hands-on. Okay, today I'll be finishing off the session within 1 hour. I try to, but other than that, if there is any little bit extension, not more than 1.5 hours. Okay, so yeah, so that is what it's all about. I hope you're all ready. And yes, disclaimer. So why is this internship? Because you need to do the task. And while talking about the attendance, so you need to attend each and every day. Minimum 28 days of attendance is mandatory. And assignment task is gonna be given at each and every day. You need to complete and you need to post it in the Discord. And you need so if you really want the materials and source code, you are going to get only by completing the task and filling up the attendance forms, and also the same for internship certificate a while. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the first task today. Okay, before going further, let me make you move a bit. Okay, so what is the first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna be asking you to share something. So what is the thing is, we have already lived this Facebook, right? So we are live this session. We are doing a live this session on Facebook, right? So that Facebook link which is going to be shared right now. So what you are going to do is you are going to put up a like and comment, and you are going to reshare it. Okay, so you are going to help other people who wanted to learn Python or who wanted to learn AI, but they are feeling very difficult whenever they are learning from Udemy or some other instructor, where the session is not fun, where the session is not interactive, where they can't able to do a hands-on. So that is what the task is. So what you just do is you just create an you just go to that Facebook link. Okay, so that Facebook link which is going to be shared right now. So let me create an activity in here. Wait a minute. Okay, so right now I am just going to post it. Okay, wait a minute. It is YouTube activity. Sorry, it is a Facebook activity. So which you are going to share it with your friends. So which is 3rd August and activity number 2. Okay, so I've just shared it. Okay, I've just shared some post your screenshot. Okay, so I've created a certain activity in the Discord, guys. Okay, just visit the Discord and go to the activity section. So here, this is what 3rd August. Okay, so you just go here and just post your screenshot. Okay, so that is what the task which I'm sharing. So start doing it. So Facebook live link, which has been already given in the live. Okay, so which is already given in the live chat. You just click that link and see the live, and you just share it in the, take a snap and you just share it in the Discard account. So this is the activity just to make you move a bit. Okay, this is what the activity 2. So now let us start our session. Okay, guys, and as I've already told you, this sharings and those things which we are doing to attract a lot of people into this journey. So which is very easy to develop and easy to improve their skills whenever they are feeling difficulties in other videos and other sessions. So definitely I can assure you that. Okay, so are you all ready for this today's session? So first thing, if you are having a notebooks, please take your notebooks. If you can't able to come with me, please take a notes and you can practice later, or you can just watch this video again by just putting up in a slow speed and you can watch it later. But I want you guys to note down something, because a lot of very important stuff which I'm going to be sharing. So what is the first question which is going to be coming in your mind is, Sanjay, while talking about artificial intelligence, why Python? That is going to be the lot of questions, right? Why Python? There are a lot of programming languages also there. But if you are learning Python, which is a wonderful programming language, which is very easy to learn, but with the help of that Python programming, you can able to do automation, you can able to do web page creation, you can able to do this machine learning or deep learning or NLP or computer vision or this AI based application, or you can able to do the data science. You can do the data analysis. Everything you can able to do it with the help of a single programming language called Python, and which is very, very easy to develop and easy to deploy it in a hardware. That is what the very important thing. So guys, how many of you people really know about NVIDIA's? So if you really know about NVIDIA, you just post your comments. What do you really know about NVIDIA? Okay, just give your comments in the live chat, guys. Okay, so yeah, a lot of people are posted Discord. Okay, yes, a lot of people are posting this. Okay, that's amazing, guys. Please complete your activity 2, which is sharing the Facebook live to your friends to make the people to make the people to join in this awesome live session. Okay, so where they'll be learning everything easily without any ego or without any negative thoughts. Why should I share, or why should I need to help that people? But you people have done that. That's really awesome. That's really appreciable. Yes, a lot of people are telling their comments like graphics card, and that's amazing. Yes, so whenever we are talking about an NVIDIA, so we used to think about which is only suitable for the graphics cards, because we used to play a lot of games and etc, right? So wait a minute, guys, let me reduce brightness a bit. Yeah, so this is what we usually do, right? So we just use this NVIDIA for having a graphics and those stuff. But nowadays NVIDIA is really very popular for AI deployment. For an example, you can able to see under this NVIDIA products hardware section, you just visit this embedded system. So here under the embedded system, here we have 3 categories. Number 1 is Jetson, number 2 is Drive AGX, and number 3 is Clara AGX. And if you are going into this embedded system, you can able to see with the help of this, you can able to create this product kind of which has been powered with the help of artificial intelligence. Guys, if you are just seeing this for the first time, you just post first time Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so under the Jetson, there are a lot of series. They used to have Jetson AGX Orin series and Orin NX series and Orin Nano series and Jetson Xavier and Jetson TX2 and Xavier NX and Jetson Nano. So Jetson Nano is affordable hardware, which if you really want, you can purchase it. But other than that, there are a lot of series is available, which is help to develop some products and like some AI powered projects. Okay, projects and products. So whereas if you are just seeing the second category, so the hardware which is for developing the self-driving cars, that's really awesome thing, right? You can able to put up this hardware for self-driving car, because for self-driving car you need to do a lot of performance. So for the self-driving car, we can go with this second series, and here we have another NVIDIA other for medical application. So under the product category, we guys have saw 3 things, right? So Jetson for embedded products and projects, and Drive AGX for developing autonomous cars, and Clara AGX for some medical equipments. So for those applications, these hardwares have been used. So when comparing with before NVIDIA's journey, nowadays NVIDIA is really popular for developing artificial intelligence powered hardwares and the warehouses, or like the workstations and etc. Okay, so guys, do you really love this type of bonus steps? If you really love this step, or if you really love this type of like up out of the box of session, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, just give your comments. Okay, so now what is the thing is, we'll be starting up with the Python, as we have already saw that Python and those stuff. And yeah, while talking about the hardware, you can able to deploy the artificial intelligence application in the NVIDIA hardware, NVIDIA Jetson kind of hardware, by using a Python programming. So that's why Python programming, which has been suggested for you to learn, because even though you don't know anything about C programming or those stuff, you can start your journey with Python programming so that you can master it a lot. Okay, so yes, so you can able to do everything with the help of Python programming. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to suggest you some of the Python notebooks which you can able to use it to write a Python program. Okay, so I hope you're all ready. So now let me list down one by one for Python programming. Okay, so what is the thing is, number one, which I'm going to suggest is Python IDLE. Okay, so that is what the first suggestion which I'm going to make, which is a basic notebook, but you can able to, if you have practiced this notebook, you can handle any other notebooks. So this is the first notebook which I'm going to suggest, Python IDLE, from official website you can download, so python.org/downloads. Okay, this is the first website which I'm suggesting. Okay, and second website, which is, you know, like second Python notebook which you can able to use it, you can go with Jupyter notebook. Okay, so Jupyter notebook. So please note it down, guys. If you don't have a laptop, please note it down. So jupyter.org. So this is the second notebook which you can able to use it for writing a Python program. And third notebook, which is a Spider notebook, which is also an awesome notebook. You can check it out. So third notebook, which is a Spider notebook. And fourth one, which is a PyCharm. That is also a lot of people are using this. So PyCharm is really awesome notebook. But if you are having a very less end laptop like i3 processor with a 2 GB RAM kind of very less specification, don't install PyCharm because it is a bit heavy. But try to install it and try to have a practice and try to delete it. So other than that, you don't need to do that. So just try it out. Okay, so which is a PyCharm. And after the PyCharm, you can able to go with Visual Studio Code. Okay, so which is Visual Studio Code. This is another notebook which I'm suggesting for doing a Python programming. So Visual Studio Code. And here we have the very popular notebook, online notebook, so which is a Google Colab. Okay, so hope you all noted. And other than that, additionally, you can also go with this Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so with the help of single Anaconda Navigator application, which is a GUI, which includes all other notebooks, which includes Jupyter notebook, which includes Spider notebooks. So you just see here PyCharm and Spider and Jupyter. So likewise, it is going to have different notebooks, and also RStudio for our programming. So these are all the notebooks. Okay, let me list down again each and everything which you are going to use it for writing a Python program. I'm going to list down the different Python notebooks. So number one, Python IDLE. Number two, Jupyter notebook. Number three, Spider notebook. Number four, PyCharm. Number six, Visual Studio Code. And number seven, Google Colab. Hope you got it. Sorry, it is six, I think so. So number six is Google Colab, and number seven is Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so guys, is the content is precise? Hope you guys have noted. So if you have noted, just leave one thumbs up emojis in the live chat. Okay, so Python IDLE, Jupyter notebook, Spider notebook, PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, and Google Colab, and Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so hope you guys have noted. So from this notebook, we are going to use Python IDLE. Why? Because if you have practiced this, you can able to handle other notebooks, and whenever you are going for the hardware, this IDLE, which is going to be really helpful for you. So that's why I'm going to teach you how to use Python IDLE. Okay, so guys, please leave your thumbs up emojis in the live chat. I hope you all really enjoying the session and the content is really precise for you. You just give your comments. Okay, so done. That's awesome. Okay, a lot of people are posting thumbs up. It is really awesome, guys. You are going very fast. I'm really sorry. Definitely I'll go slow. Okay, these are all the notebook. Let me show it for you. IDLE, Jupyter notebook, Spider notebook, PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Google Colab, and Anaconda Navigator. So these are all the notebook which you can able to use it for writing a Python program. Okay, so once it is been done, now what we are going to do is we are moving on to the tips section, where I'm going to be revealing one by one tip which you are going to note it down, and it is going to be really awesome. Okay, so what the thing is, first part is, don't go for the latest version of Python. Okay, it might be listening to it might be the first time which you are hearing for the first time, right? So what is the thing is, whenever we are going to install some software or application, we always go for the latest version. That is our mentality, right? But other than that, while talking about this Python, don't go for the latest version. Why? Because whenever you are using a Python, everything is all about the libraries. For an example, if you want to read an image, there is an OpenCV library. If you want to resize an image, there is an IOMutils library. If you want to if you want to do some mathematical operations like matrix and like that kind of operation, there is an NumPy library. And if you want to access a URL, there is a URL lib library. So likewise, whatever the functions which you are going to do, that functions it is having a libraries. Okay, so guys, are you all with me? So if you are with me, you just post I'm with you, Sanjay, in your live chat. So whatever the functionality which you are going to do, most of the functionality which you are going to do it with the help of Python, you need a library. So if you are going for the latest version of Python, it's not mean that Python which is going to the latest version of Python is going to support every libraries. Sometimes it might not be updated. So that's why keep that in your mind. Tip number 1 is, don't go for the latest version of Python. Instead, go for the stable version of Python. Are you clear? So all visit this URL, python.org/downloads. Okay, python.org/downloads. So once you have gone that, you will be in this page. In this page, you should not click this button. Why? Because it is 3.11.4, which is a very latest version. Don't go for it. Instead, scroll down and you're looking for a specific release. Here, there are a lot of versions. So now you may ask some questions. Sanjay, then what is the stable version? What are all the stable versions? There are a lot of stable versions are there, like Python 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.9. So these are all the versions which I've used and which is really working well. But my personal favorite is Python 3.7.8, because with the help of 3.7.8, I have done a lot of projects. I've done projects on NLP, I've done projects on URL, and I've done a lot of API based applications and projects. So that's why I'll be preferring Python 3.7.8. Okay, so just go here and please search for Python 3.7.8. Okay, you just want to scroll down a bit. So yes, here it is, Python 3.7.8, and you just go here. So that this is the page which you will be getting. And if you are scrolling down, if you are using a Windows, here there is an option called executable installer. Just click that so that your exe file will be downloaded. Okay, so you just see here .exe file will be downloaded. Okay, so guys, is it beginner friendly? So if it is friendly with you, if it is completely from the scratch, you just post love the Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so we guys have downloaded the exe file. What do you just do? Click it and complete your installation. Just click next, 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 and check box if it is required, and click next, 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 and complete your installation. Okay, so once you have completed your installation, if you are typing IDLE, you should see this Python 3.7 64-bit. If you have got this, I'll be giving you 2 minutes of time. You just download it from this website and you just install it. And once you have installed it, so if you are typing IDLE, you should see this IDLE of 3.7 64-bit. Okay, so now the time is 5:21. So let me give you around 1 minute time. You just try to install right now. Okay, so please install it, guys. And if you guys have completed it, you just post completed Sanjay in your live chat. But when I'm asking the people to register, when I'm asking the people to install this Python 3.7.8, a lot of people used to tell, Sanjay, I have 3.9, Sanjay, I have 3.10, Sanjay, I have 3.5, Sanjay, I have 3.4. Likewise, a lot of people used to tell, Sanjay, I have this, should I need to follow this? Yes. Why? Because in the Python, you just keep one thing in your mind. Whenever you are building one project, which is a deep learning project, you have used a lot of library, TensorFlow library, OpenCV library, Immortals library. So likewise, you guys have used a lot of libraries and you guys have built some project. But if you are going to run the same project after 5 years or after 2 years by using a new version of Python, it might give you error. So that is what tip number 2. Okay. So please always remember, or please always note it down, what are all the libraries versions which you are using and what Python which you are using for after completing your project. Okay, in which project, if you have completed a certain project, what version you guys have used to complete the project. So likewise, please note down everything. So that is what tip number 2. Okay. So guys, please note it down, because I'm going to be giving you a task to put what you guys have learned in this 2 days, in the second day, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of tips. So tip number 1, don't go for the latest version, go for the stable version. Tip number 2, please be making sure whether what version of Python and what version of library which you are used for to complete the project, so that you can use so that you can able to use the same Python and version, so that you won't get any error for the completed project. So that is what is all about second second tip. Okay. So if you have noted the second tab, you just post done Sanjay in your live chat. So if you have completed the Python installation as well, you just post done Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay. So whatever the version which I am installing or I am doing, please try to follow me blindly, because you should not get any error. If you are getting any error, which might be means that you might be using different version of Python or different version of library. So for my code, the code which I'm going to be sharing with you, if you are getting any error, the problem might be because you are using different version than me. So okay, that is might be the only and only reason. Please don't ever forget that. Okay. Okay, that's really awesome. A lot of people have posted done Sanjay, done Sanjay. I felt really happy. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, I hope you all got this window, right? Ideally of 3.764-bit. And here you might ask some question. Sanjay, can I maintain multiple version of Python? Answer is yes. Here you can able to see I have Python 3.7, I have 3.6, 3.8, 2, Python 3.10, Python 3.9. I am using a lot of Python version. Okay, that I'll teach you which version you can able to switch over Python versions. So that I'll teach you, don't worry about it. But now we guys have installed Python 3.7.8. Okay, so once we guys have installed the Python 3.7.8, so we can able to see that ideally in your window. Okay, so I hope you have got it. So now what we are going to do is just type IDLE, so which is Python 3.764-bit, and just click open. So the window will be open, which the window is being set to be a shell window. So the shell window, which is being used for to run a single line of command for an example, or single line of execution for an example. A is equals to 5, enter. So it has been executed. B is equals to 6, enter. C is equals to A plus B, enter. Print of C and enter. Ta-da! You can able to see here, we got an output like 11. So that is what the shell window is, where you can able to run a single line of command. Guys, if you are really thinking it's simple, you just post simple Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so we guys have installed Python and we guys are doing some basic programming in the shell. Okay, just a single lines of command, whatever you really need for an example. So D is equals to A multiples of B, enter. And I'm going to put up a print of D, enter. 30, that's it. Okay, so it is a shell window. Whereas if you want to run a number of lines of program, so you need to go to file and new file. So this is the empty window where you can able to write a lines of program. For an example, A is equals to 5, B is equals to 6, C is equals to A plus B, D is equals to A minus B, and E is equals to A multiples of B. So likewise, you can write multiple lines of program and print of A comma B comma C comma D comma E. Okay, and close the braces. That's it. Now if you want to save the program, you can press Ctrl S, or you can go to the file and then save. So it is gonna show it is gonna ask you the name for the Python file. So I'm just going to give the name like sample.py. Okay, the extension which is gonna be what? .py. So once it has been done, click save. So you can able to see sample.py which has been changed. And once it has been done, what you can able to do, click run and run module to see the output. So 5, 6, 11 minus 130. So 5 is, wait a minute, let me show you the output. Okay, so 5 is what? 5 is A, and B is 6, and C is 11, which is A plus B, and D is minus 1, which is A minus B, and E is 30, which is A multiples of B. Okay, I hope it is really beginner friendly, guys. I hope you really loved it. So for an example, if I'm going to change this output, so 52, 6, I'm going to click run module. So now you can able to see, this is the untitled window where we guys have written something and we guys have clicked the run module. So we are getting an output in where, in which place? In a shell window. This is not this untitled, this is notepad, empty notepad, right? So which is a external like shell window where you'll be getting an output 52, 6, 58, 46 and 312. So this is what is all about the IDLE. Okay, so guys, is it beginner friendly? Do you really like it? Okay, so if you really like it, you just give your comments in the live chat. Okay, do you really like it? Is it really beginner friendly? So just give your comments in the live chat, guys. Okay, so yes, Fatim posted, I like it, and tech enthusiast Shubham posted, thank you. It is really awesome. A lot of people are posting, yes, like it. Mayank posted, yes, Sanjay. And Yash G posted, yes. And Tanmay posted, yes. That's really awesome, guys. Super duper easy, Sanjay. Priyanshu Saxena, that's awesome. That's really awesome comment. So, yes. A lot of people are posting, yes, Sanjay. And some people are posting slow. Definitely, I'll go slow, guys. Definitely, I'll try to do that. Yes. So, we guys have got this information. So, up to now, what are all the tips we guys have crossed? 2 tips we guys have crossed. Now, tip number 3, the most important tip. A lot of people are not sharing this. I'm going to be sharing with you. So, what is the thing is? What is the tip number 3 is? Whenever you have installed Python, or whenever you are installed multiple version of Python, there are some problem statement which you might face. Number 1, need to access the Python from the command window. Purpose number 2, switch the Python version. Sanjay, I need to switch, I need to have 3.7.9 as a default version now, but later I need a 3.10 as a default version. So likewise, to switch the Python version, that is what the purpose number 2. And purpose number 3, to install the Python libraries, because that is what a very important thing. So to install the libraries. So for these 3 purposes, number 1, to access the Python from the command window. Number 2, second purpose, which is to switch over the Python version. And number 3, to install the Python libraries. For these 3 main purpose, we are going to do the tip number 3. So what is the tip number 3 is? Configuring environment variables. Are you clear? What is that? It is configuring environmental variables. So how can you do that is, first of all, type IDLE. You just make sure whether you are selecting the same Python 3.7.8, which is 3.7 it's showing, and click open file location. So once you have clicked the open file location, you will be getting this window. Okay, so where it is having a 4 shortcuts. Guys, I'm going very dead slow. Please try to come with me. Otherwise, time is going to be increased. Okay, yes. So ideally 3.7 64-bit, which is there, which is a shortcut. Still, it is not a root directory. Again, right click that same shortcut and click open file location, so that you will be in the root directory of the Python. Okay, you might not have these files, but other than that, you will have these folders definitely. So this is the root directory of my Python, because whenever I'm asking people to find out the root directory of Python, they really don't know that how to find out, because while installing we won't notice that. So that's why I've just given some short notes where you can able to find out the root directory of Python by just clicking a right click of ideally open file location, again right click the ideally open file location, so that you will be getting this window. Okay, so I hope you all got this window. So once you have done that, you just click this path and right click and copy it. Okay, copy this whole complete path. And once it has been copied, what you just do is you just type env, so which is nothing but environment variables. So edit the system environmental variables. You just click that, and once it has been opened, there is an advanced category. Under the advanced category, here there is a button called environment variables. You just click that environmental variables. Okay, so I'm just showing everything parallelly, guys. Okay, don't tell me like I'm going slow, because I'm going very dead slow. Okay, just see here. Here you can able to see there is a path option. So there is a path categories here. So you can go here or you can go here. Okay, now I'm going with this path. Double click this path. Okay, wait a minute, give me a minute, guys. Let me delete the previous one. Yeah. So this is the path here. Just double click the path, and here there is a button called new. You just click the new button and paste the copied path and press enter, so that you'll be pasting the root directory of the Python here. So once it has been pasted, you just click a move up until it is moving on to the first location. So we are giving the high priority for Python 3.7. Okay, now we need to go into the scripts folder. Okay, this is the root directory of Python. Now you need to go to the folder of scripts folder, and again right click the path and copy it, and come here and click new and paste it and press enter, and click move up until the second position. So where we are configuring the two folders, Python 3.7 folder and Python 3.7/scripts folder. So 3.7 folder configuration is for accessing the Python from the command window. 3.7/scripts, which is for to install the Python libraries, because in this folder there is a pip files which has been available. So that's why we are configuring this two to check this by output which we got. And if you want to come out of the shell window, press Ctrl Z and enter. And don't try to execute a is equals to 5 enter here, because we are not inside this Python shell. So first of all, you need to type Python and then enter, so that you will be inside this Python shell window. And then you can able to run the single line of command or whatever, and Ctrl Z and enter to come out of the shell window. So if you have, you just post video stuck. Okay, video stuck. Wait a minute, guys. Can you able to hear me? Guys, is it audible now? So if it is audible now, you just post your comments in the live chat. Is it clear? So if it is clear, you just give your comments in the live chat. Is it clear? So if it is clear, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so guys, is it clear? Can you able to hear me? Yeah, now it's good. That's really awesome, guys. Thank you so much for doing this. Yes, that's really great. That's awesome. Okay, so that is what it's all about. Okay, so we guys have configured this environmental variables, which is tip number 3, to access the Python from the command window. So we guys have did like this, and Python and then enter. So you'll be getting the shell window here, and Ctrl Z and then enter, so that you'll be coming out from this shell window. Okay, this is what it's all about, guys. Are you all satisfied up to now? So if you are satisfied up to now, you just post I'm satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so you just tell me, are you guys all satisfied? So if you all satisfied, you just post I'm satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. So now we guys have configured the environmental variable. So 3 tips have been crossed. Okay, up to now we guys have crossed over nearly like 3 tips. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the tip number 4. So while talking about this tip number 4, please just keep it in your mind. Okay, so as I've already told you, whenever you are talking about a Python, it is all about the libraries. Okay, so whatever the functionality which you are going to do, that is going to be done with the help of libraries. So to do the libraries, first of all, we need to install those libraries. So that is what your tip number 4. So how to install the libraries? So to install the library, what is the command is? First of all, what you need to do is, you just open your command prompt as an administrator. So run as administrator. You just open your command prompt as an administrator. And what you just do is, the command is pip, which is a Python interpreter. So pip space, install space, the library name. Now don't ask me the question, Sanjay, what is this immutals? Immutals are nothing but library names. So now I'm going to use different libraries. So don't worry about the libraries because we are going to learn it later. But right now we are learning how to install the libraries. That's it. Okay. Don't ask questions like what is immutals, what is numpy, what is IP, what is OpenCV and those stuff, because we are going to install it later. We are going to know about it later. Okay. To install the library, open your command prompt as an administrator, and the command is pip space install space library name. Okay. So to install OpenCV in your laptop, OpenCV-Python, and then enter. That's it. It will install the library for you. Okay. So guys, if you are clear with tip number 4, you just post C4 Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. You just post C4 Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. Some of the people or most of the people are posting are not clear. Okay. Let me repeat it again. So guys, while talking about a Python, it is all about the libraries. So to install the library, you just try to type command prompt. So you just try to type CMD. So command prompt will be opened, and click run as administrator and click S. So it has been opened as an administrator. You can able to see here. And to install the library, what is the command is? pip space install space that library name. So I'm going to install OpenCV first. OpenCV-Python and enter. That's it. Okay, it will install OpenCV in your laptop. And to install other library, same command. What is the command? What is that tip number 4? How to install the library? Pip space install space library name. It will install the numpy library. Don't ask about the libraries because we are going to learn it very soon. But now we are just learning how to install this library. Okay. So pip space install space immutals. This is another library. Guys, hope you are clear with the this is a 4th step, right? So if you are clear with the 4th step, you just give your comments in the live chat. Now, if you are getting any error, Sanjay, pip is not found, pip command is not found, which means that you guys haven't followed me, because we guys have configured the environmental variables. Only if you are configuring the environmental variables, you won't get this pip not found error. So please follow me blindly so that you won't get any error. So that is what tip number 5. Okay, hope you got it. And then tip number 6. So what is the tip number 6 is? Never ever update or upgrade your pip until it is required. Okay, here it is showing me the warning, your pip is older version. Do you want to update it? Never ever update it until it is needed. Okay, don't do that. If you are updating it, sometimes the library version might be upgraded to the very latest, so that you might face some errors. So never ever update until it has been required. Okay, this is what tip number 6. Are you clear? So guys, how many of you people have noted this complete 6 tips up to now? So if you have completely noted the 6 tips up to now, you just give your comments like I am Sanjay in your live chat. Let us see how many of you people are really super fast to come with me. Okay, just give your comments in the live chat, guys. Okay, so we guys have did this. Pip space install space a library name. That is what your tip number 4. Pip space install space library name. That is what your tip number 4. And now the tip number 7. So what is the tip number 7 is? How to import the library. Sanjay, we have already installed the library. So now how to import it? Simple. Go to your IDLE, your Python IDLE, right? So this is my IDLE. And here import space your library name, for an example numpy, and press enter. You are not getting any error. For an example, if I'm typing like this, import space some dummy value, if you are putting an enter, ta-da, you can able to get this error, no module name, module not found error. So if you are getting this module not found error, which means that you haven't installed that library. Okay, for an example, OpenCV can be imported by using CV2. It is imported, and import space immutals, enter. It has been imported, which means that you have installed the library properly. This is what your tip number 7. Are you clear? So if you are clear, you just post clear Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so we guys have installed the libraries and we guys have imported it right now. So what is the keyword to import the library? Import space library name. That's it, which is a tip number 7. And shall we go for the tip number 8? Guys, is it going interesting? So if it is going interesting, you just post it's interesting Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, that is what it is all about. Okay, we guys have installed it. Okay, we guys have imported it. Now, what is the tip number 8 is, Sanjay, how to uninstall the library. Super simple. So type pip, instead of putting install, put up uninstall. So pip space uninstall space. Now I am going to uninstall my IMUtils library. So IMUtils library, which is usually for resizing an image. So I'm just going to uninstall it. Pip space uninstall space library name. Press enter. It is going to ask you yes or no. Type Y and enter. Ta-da! So successfully uninstalled IMUtils library. Now let us check our library. Go to the IDE, and if I'm typing import IMUtils, enter. Ta-da! So why we are getting this error, no module named IMUtils? Because we guys have uninstalled it. So since we guys have uninstalled it, so that's why it is showing no module named IMUtils. So you should install it so that you won't get that error. So that is what tip number 8, how to uninstall the library. Are you clear? Okay, so guys, do you really loving it? Yes, a lot of people are posting interesting. That's awesome. Okay, now we are going to go for the tip number 9. Sanjay, how to install the library based on the version. Sanjay will tell, guys, please install TensorFlow 1.14.0. Sanjay will tell and Sanjay will move on. But you need to know how to install the library based on the version, right? So that's why now itself I'm going to give the tip. Tip number 9, how to install the library based on the version. So pip space, install space, your library name double equals to that version number. If Sanjay is telling, try to install TensorFlow 1.14.0, you should install pip space, install space, TensorFlow double equals to 1.14.0. That's it, and press enter. Okay, so it is installing. Ta-da! You can able to see successfully installed IMUtils 0.5.4. That is it. Is all about. Okay, so I hope you have noted down the tip number 9, how to install the library based on the version. For an example, to install SciPy, please don't try to install different version. Try to use okay, wait a minute, let me check, which is 1.1.0, I think so. Okay, so what you need to do is pip space install space SciPy double equals to 1.1.0. okay, you should install in this way. Okay, pip space install space library name double equals to version number. So this is what your tip number 9. Okay, and tip number 10. Sanjay, I've installed some of the library before 1 year back. Now, how I can test my library version? It's simple. That is going to be our tip number 10. So go to your IDE. Okay, so your shell window. Import. First of all, import the library, which you need to check out the library versions. So import space IMUtils. Okay, so IMUtils. And if you want to check out the library, first of all, import it and type that library name dot underscore version underscore and press enter. Ta-da! So you can able to get that library version here, right here. Okay, now import space. If I want to check out other library version, I'm going to import OpenCV, import space SciPy, import space NumPy. And if I want to check out all these version, how can I do that? First of all, library name dot underscore version underscore. So I'm a bit lazy, you know, like I'm going to do this and enter, which is 4.5.4, and SciPy dot underscore version underscore. The version is 1.1.0, and NumPy version, which is NumPy dot underscore version underscore, which is 1.21.3. Okay, so guys, is it amazing? Okay, do you really loving it? So if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, yes, undefined man giving another suggestion, which is pip list. Yes, so these are all the 10 tips which I've shared today. I hope you felt really happy about this lecture up to now. So if you are really happy, you just post I'm happy Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so are you guys all happy? So if you are happy, just give your comments like I'm happy Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so what is that? That is what the Python installation. So what is the assignment number 2, which is you are going to install that library. So here there is an assignment, non-membership assignment task section. Install Python and libraries. Okay, so you just go here, guys. A lot of people have did. Yeah, so some people have did right and some people are doing it wrong. Okay, so no problem. Yeah, so assignment and task section, right? So go here and install Python and libraries, and here you just post it like I've did before. Okay, so this is what you should do. You need to install the Python, and you need to get the shell window, and you need to import your libraries, and you need to show your versions. Okay, so this is what the task or assignment for this day number 2. So if you are going to do this, you just post I will do Sanjay in your live chat, and please start doing it. Okay, the people who are all practicing it with me, please start doing it and take a screenshot and post it in the command window, so that you can able to get today's source code if it is there, if anything, any source code is there. Okay, so please post it, guys. Are you all happy? Yes, a lot of people are posting happy. Okay, so some people are posted not happy. I'm really sorry for not satisfying you, but definitely on the upcoming days I'll try to satisfy you. Okay, so guys, please don't post your Facebook sharing here. Please post your Facebook sharing here, but other than that, installing Python, so post it here. Okay, so guys, please post it. Okay, Discord link which is already been given in the live chat, just post it and please do it, guys. Are you guys all happy about this session? Just please do that. Okay, so guys, and again I'm telling you, the people who wanted this recording of this complete 30 days, the people who might miss out this live and the attendance might be missed, if the attendances might be missed, the internship certificate is really not possible. So that's why, if you really don't want to miss that attendance, so if you really don't want to miss that materials, which includes the whole complete PowerPoint presentation, source code, data set, trained model file, and mind map and PDF as like a zip file. So if you really need that, and if you need a live sessions on every Saturday to clear your doubts, to add immense value on each and every day, every Saturday, every weekend basis, and if you wanted to participate in a complete private community for a lifetime, so if you really want an access, and if you want to get a complete roadmap courses, which starts from Excel, database, and Python, and the database like MySQL and MongoDB, and Python programming, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, Power BI and Tableau kind of business intelligence tools, and then statistics, and then natural language processing, using cloud, using hardware, chatbot creation. So if you really need the whole complete bundle, the roadmap out to become a data scientist, so we are having an opportunity for you. We are providing individual courses. This is a 30 days course which we are providing at the price of 1,499, and this is the machine learning course which we are also providing at the price of 1,499, and data analytics course which we are providing at the price of 1,499, and deep learning course is 1,499, and Python internship is 1,499. But now, instead of providing individual courses at the price of 1,499, we are providing the complete 5 combo just at the rupees of 999. This is the same offer which has been offered yesterday, but now we are offering this combo just right now. Okay, we guys have extended because of yesterday the international payment link has been missed. So today we are providing. So we guys have literally missed that. So that's why we guys have extended this offer until this tonight. So I'm asking my team to post both the international link as well as within India link, so that people can able to start purchasing it only today. So within this today, you can able to get this 5 courses at just rupees of 999. Okay, so I hope you have got it. And this is what the comparison between the YouTube. So don't think like people called me for live and you are asking me a money. So that's why I've put up a table. If you have a time, please try to read it. And if you're really not trusting us, you just check it out, our Google reviews, which has been given by tons and tons of people. Okay, so just check it out, our Google reviews, and once you have registered it, you will be getting an access for login access portal, which for this learn.pantech.solutions.net portal, where you can able to watch all the videos and all the recordings, and you can able to download all the attachment with a lifetime validity and private community link, which has also been given in the course. You can just make use of it. Okay, so guys, can I post the assignment by today night? Yes, please do it, guys. Please do it. Okay, please do it. Hope you all enjoyed, guys. How many of you people really loved it? Yes. And from tomorrow, we guys have a separate session for computer vision. We are going to start a computer vision journey. And just for now, we guys have gone through about just basic Python installation and those stuff. Tomorrow, we'll be covering up the basic Python programming, as well as we are also going to move on to the computer visions and the basics and those stuff. Okay, and before going further, let me give you a 2 minutes time for attendance. You just please start posting your attendance, guys. Okay, so still session has not been ended. We have another additional value which is really waiting for you. So still the session is there. Okay, so don't leave the session until the session is got over. Okay, so I'm just giving 2 minutes of time to post your attendance. So please post your attendance and come back within a minute. I'm giving you the time, guys. Okay, until then, if you are really loving the session and if you're having any feedback, you can share to me. And if you want to talk to me regarding anything, you can also talk to me through the live chats. Okay, I'm giving that opportunity for you guys. Okay, that's awesome. A lot of people are posting yes. I love this, and that's awesome. And until this time, I'm also going to be sharing attendance status report. So if you are really not aware that Sanjay, I don't know whether I have filled up the attendance form or not, we are providing the separate login link. So if you are visiting that link will be looking like this. Wait a minute, let me show you. Okay, so wait a minute. This is what the link is: pantechsolutions.net attendance hyphen dashboard. You just please check this out. Okay, so this will work. Okay, so if you are getting any error or any warning, so definitely it is going to be updated very soon. So don't worry about it. Okay, so it will be updated very soon. Okay, so if you are getting any error or any warning, so definitely it is going to be updated very soon. So don't worry, guys. Okay, it will be look like this. I think some issue with this, so definitely it will be updated. Okay, don't worry about it, but you will be seeing your name and your institute and total number of attendance, and where you can able to put your name, so that it is gonna be showing you the report. Okay, that it is gonna be updated very soon, guys. Okay, sorry for this which is not working right now, but it will be updated very soon. But you can able to check out this attendance from this URL. And another very important thing, the people who wanted to earn the money just by referring others product, which is an affiliate marketing, so you can able to register for this another form. So another form will be shared right now. So if you are clicking that form, you can able to fill up so that you can able to be part of this affiliate marketing opportunity, where you can able to earn a money. For an example, if you are referring some product, and if from your contact base, if we are getting any order, you are going to get a commission based on the order. So if the rupees were 1,000 rupees, we will be giving you 100 rupees in return. So if you are getting 10 orders, you will be getting 1,000 rupees, right? For an example, if the people are purchasing or upgrading to the gold membership, you are going to get an amazing bonus, which is really like 40 to 50% bonus, or 40 to 50% of discount which you are providing. You just imagine from your schools or from your college or from your network, from your friends, if we are getting any order from your network, you will be earning around 20,000 per day. It might be for at least like around 10 orders, you'll be getting around 20,000, 10 to 20,000. So if you are interested in affiliate marketing, where you can able to share or promote our product to just sharing the value, and you are going to get earned. Okay, so if you are interested in for this passive income, you just click the link, affiliate interested link, and fill up the form. Okay, and the gold membership showcase event, which is a paid event, but which is we are providing absolutely free, so which is going to be happen on tomorrow night. Okay, so if you are interested, just click the link and participate in it, because it is a job oriented training which we are going to offer you. So which is a gold membership showcase, which I'm going to do it on tomorrow 7, I think so, 7 p.m. So don't miss out. So the link which is also being given in the live chat, so just make use of it, guys. Okay, it's the Zoom link. Directly register and don't miss out the tomorrow's live session on that. Okay, and how many of you people are really waiting for the mindset session? So if you are really waiting for the mindset session, you just post, I'm waiting, Sanjay, in your live chat. Okay, we guys have already discussed some of the points. Think big, our past is not equal to the future. And if you are not filling your day with high priority action, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distractions. And we will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. And what we are today is the sum total of our thoughts and action which we have taken previously. So these are all the points which we guys have discussed. But now we are moving on to the remaining 5 points. Point number 1. Success is the progressive realization of worthy ideal. What is that? What does it mean is, for each and every people, success is going to be different. For an example, you might have any dream to own this car or this house. And if you have this amount of money in your bank account, you are really in a peace mode. So you might have different success patterns. But you should realize that each and every minute of your life that you have already achieved it. So which is going to be tuning you into that certain frequency, which is going to be help you to achieve that. Okay, that is what the first point. And then you become what you think all day long. This is what the very, very important point which I really want to share. So guys, you just try to close your eyes and just think before this life started. From the morning to till the evening, what are all the thoughts which ran in your mind? If your thoughts were like this: I don't have money, I don't have bike, I don't have car, I don't have rich family, I'm not looking good, I'm not handsome, or I don't have a good house, or I don't have good friends, I don't have good family, I can't able to do the world tour or all India tour or whatever. So if you are thinking in this way, if your thoughts are in this way, you are in a very you really need that awareness. So that's why I'm telling you, you become what you think all day long. Even though you have these 10 problems, don't think in this way. Just do a little mind shift to think in terms of like, I want money, I need a rich family, or I will make my family rich. I'm looking handsome, and I'm about to do the world tour, and I'm feeling rich. I'm owning the BMW bike or BMW car. I'm owning the house worth of 2 crores or something. And I'm really good at relationship where a lot of people love to be with me or love to make friends with me. So likewise, try to think in terms of positive way. Guys, does it really make sense? So if it really makes sense, you just post "make sense Sanjay" in your live chat. So you become what you think all day long. So just be aware about what kind of thoughts which you are getting, so that you just want to be aware of it. And if you are getting, he is like that, suddenly grab that and put it up in the bin and try to think positive way. Okay, so that is what it's all about. Okay, so I hope you have got it. Okay, so and Sharvin Singh, I have a huge students group for different courses. That's really awesome, Sharvin Singh. You just click the link and register for the affiliate program so that you can make money a lot. Okay, so you become what you think all day long. So that is what the very important point. So please be aware about your thoughts, and whenever you are getting triggered with any negative thoughts, just eradicate and try to think in terms of positive way. Guys, I'm not telling you you are already rich or something like that. You might be poor, or you might not be looking good, or you might not have enough knowledge, or you don't have good programming. You might be any bad situation, but try to think positive or try to talk positive, so that it will be tuning into that frequency and it will grab every opportunities which is all available in front of you. Okay, so that's what the thing. And 7th point, we see good in people, people see good in us. Yes, lot of people used to blame others, lot of people used to complain others. He is like that, he did like this, that's why I can't able to do this work. He just irritated me, so that's why I can't able to focus on my work. He used to do lot of call to me, so that's why I can't able to focus on any job which I'm doing. He always talks negative, so that's why I can't able to do this work. So that's why I'm also getting down. So stop complaining. If you are seeing bad in people, they are going to see bad in you. So instead, if you are seeing some bad in some people, try to advise them, But if it is not affect, if they are not obeying, or if they are also cultivating you as well, they are polluting you as well, try to come out of it instead of spreading that. Okay, instead of spreading that, please come out of it. Okay, and then eighth point, don't do the same thing and expect different results. Guys, from this people, from the community, how many of you people wanted to make book reading as a habit, but still now whenever you are getting out taking a book, you are falling asleep? How many of you people are there? So if you are, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat. So what is the mistake is, they are taking the same book and they are expecting I want to make a book reading as a habit. But what is the tip is, try to do a different thing. If you are taking some certain book, if you are getting asleep, it's not mean that you are not made for book reading. It's mean that you don't love the topic. So that's why you are closing the book, or you are getting asleep. So try to throw that book away, because a lot of people used to take the book which is being suggested by the world. The books like Think and Grow Rich, Attitude is Everything, and Psychology of Money, and Ikigai. So likewise, people used to take the book which world is suggesting. Instead, as your initial stages, try to take a book which you really love. If you really love horror stories, try to read horror story kind of book, so that you can make book reading as a habit. So it is just one example. Same as like, if you are facing any problem, like if you are not getting enough results, try to do the different thing, so that only you can able to get a better results or different results. Otherwise, you will get the same results. And then ninth point, focus is the most valuable asset than a time. Whenever you are doing a certain thing, it's not mean that you are studying for 10 hours. It's not mean that you are really great. It's mean that how much productive you are, how much focus you are in. So whenever we used to do some work, this money killer will pop up and it will be giving you the notification like your friend tagged you. So you'll be going into the social media and you'll put up the like, and you'll put up a comment, and you'll putting that emojis, and you'll coming back to the work. So it's not mean that. So try to throw away your distracting medium away, so that you can focus on. So while comparing with the time, focus is the most valuable asset than a time. And finally, start writing your goals daily and visualize it daily. So before going with this point, how many of you people really know GC, which is who is Grant Cardone? So how many of you people know him? So if you know him, you just post I know Sanjay in your live chat. How many of you people know him, guys? How many of you people really know him? So if you know him, you just give your comments in the live chat. I know him. Or else you just please post no Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. So some of the people really know about him, but most of the people are really not knowing about him. So what is the thing is, okay. So what is the thing is, this guy, like he is doing a real estate and lot of, lot of multiple source of income he has. And he is owning the private jet and private, like helicopter. In his Instagram post, do you know what he wrote? So in his Instagram post, behind him, there is his helicopter or a private jet, something is there. And in his description, do you know what he wrote? He wrote like this: I have been writing that I own a helicopter for more than 30 years. Finally, I owned it. This is what he wrote as like a statement. Let me repeat. I have been writing that I own a helicopter for more than 30 years. Finally, I owned it. This is what his statement. Just try to check out his Instagram profile. Okay. So that is what doing a manifestation. So whatever you really want in your life, don't try to write, I want to own a BMW car. Try to write I own a BMW car. So don't try to write in a future tense. Always try to write in a present tense, that you have already owned it, that you have already did the world tour. So likewise, try to write in terms of the present and past. Okay, don't try to write in a future tense, so that it's going to be helping you to tune your subconscious mind, and which is going to be grabbing all the opportunity which is required. For an example, if you really wanted to do a any tour or trekking or something which you want to do, if you are manifesting, so it will grab all the things which is related to it. It might be from newspaper, or it might be from some television, or it might be from some posters. You will grab, your subconscious mind will grab it. So that is what the manifestation. So try to do it. So I hope this mindset session is really great. So if it is really mind blowing and if you really loved it, you just give your comments in the live chat, guys. Do you really loved it? So if you have enjoyed it, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. And it is time for the questions. If you guys have any questions, please write your questions in the live chat. And before that, please try to complete the task. Okay, what is the task we guys have given is number one is to share that Facebook live. And the second task is we guys have asked the people to post, install the Python and share your screen of command window. So here some people have got some version. Okay, URL lib. So HTTP. So this, what is this error is, it might be because of your laptop might not be connected with an internet. So okay, put up a reply. Laptop not. Okay, so yeah, this is why the problem which she got is. Okay, so try to do this, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed a lot. So if you have enjoyed it, you just give your comments in the live chat. And what are all the tasks? So these are the two tasks, and another registration is for affiliate marketing if you are interested to make money while you are just simply sitting. And the gold membership showcase, the event which is going to be happen tomorrow. So don't miss out. Just click the link and register for the gold membership tomorrow itself, guys. Okay, so Tanmay, are you going to teach OpenCV in depth? Yes, definitely. Sanjay, when we get the brain computer interface course, that task we have done yesterday, you'll be getting within 2 days. Okay, so and guys, and if you guys haven't, so if you guys haven't still followed me, you can also follow me through the LinkedIn. So my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description, you just click the link and you can follow me. And if you guys have any questions, please start raising your question, guys. Please try to ask the question which is not only in the technical. You can ask any questions to me so that we can interact a lot. We can discuss a lot, guys, because knowledge sharing and talking, which is really a very important thing we should do as a community. So whatever the questions which you have, you just try to ask your questions, guys. Okay, thank you, Priyanshu. Thank you. Okay, so and Daneshwara, how to speak fluently in English? Like there are a lot of suggestion. So even I'm not that much good, like, but yeah, so somewhat okay. I can able to manage it. So that is all coming from the movies. A lot of people used to suggest me that. So to watch animation movies with subtitles and without subtitles. So movies will bring a lot of, like lot of connection, lot of listening skills. So because if we want to speak, first of all, we need to listen. So that's why, first of all, you can able to watch those type of animation kind of Hollywood movies. So which is gonna be improve a lot. And also, if you have getting any chance to join some Cambly kind of websites where you can able to talk to other country people in English. So it is really awesome. So you can able to do that. Okay, so try to always watch a movies, guys. So try to watch that type of animation movies with that subtitles, that try to practice or try to use the same dialogue which they are doing. So it is going to be really improve that. Okay, is the classes will be easy like today, Sanjay? I can't able to tell that, because like as days going by, the difficulties level is gonna be increased gradually. So it is gradually. Okay, don't worry about it. So definitely it'll be I'll try to cover it up with completely from the scratch. Don't worry. Question by Shai Kazim. Is it okay to complete today's task in Jupyter Notebook? I have submitted today's task in Jupyter, not in Shell. Please do it in ideally, guys. Please try to follow me. What are the stuff which I'm doing? Okay. Is there any classes on Sunday? You will be getting update from through an email. So yeah. Scene looks blurry every day. Okay, so definitely I'll check that, Janet. Definitely I'll check that. Rishabh, whom we can ask the technical issue directly. You just post it in the task section, and there itself you just post your comment so that I can just help you to fix that issue. Where are you from? Now I'm living in Chennai, guys. I'm living in Chennai. Thank you so much for asking. After completing this course, how much I get as a paycheck. It is all about the practice, guys, because like there are a lot of people who have completed like 1 lakh course and not selected in interview. So it is not mean about the course, it's all about us. Can anyone registration for the today? So also I have put questions in home channel in Discord. Mystic Gaming, you can able to register for this 3 days event. So because it is, you are in a right time, because it is a second day. So you can register for it. The link which is available in the description. Love your voice and energy. Thank you so much, Veta. It is really awesome. Thank you so much for positive comment. Watching from Bangladesh, Palash, that's awesome. ECE, can I study AI? I am ECE. I am electronics and communication engineering, so that only I can able to work with both artificial intelligence and hardware, because like the people who are all coming from computer science department, some people can't able to do that. Sorry guys, power got turned off, I think so. Okay, so yeah, that is what is all about, and I hope you can able to hear me, right? So power got turned off. I really don't know what happened to the inverter. Okay, so I hope you can able to listen to me, guys. So I hope you really enjoyed a lot. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you once again for your support and for your patience throughout this live, throughout the series. I felt really happy to interact with you for this 2 days. So please don't give up. From day after tomorrow, we are going to start working with awesome projects. You will be really amazed. I'm going to share you the source code for the people who are completing it. So likewise, a lot of the things which I'm going to do it for you. So I hope you really enjoyed a lot. So thank you. Thank you so much once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.